Hello, and welcome to our What's Next series on getting to the next step of your API journey with an API marketplace. We've talked a lot about the value of a marketplace in driving revenue, helping productize and monetize APIs. How about what it brings to an organization and its own operational processes? William McKinney, Axway's Senior Director of Amplify Platform Marketing, is the man to answer that question. William, how does an API marketplace help improve internal efficiency for an organization?
Great question, and we get asked that a lot. I'm going to look at it through the lens of probably three different audiences and what a marketplace can do for them. The first is consumers of APIs. These are your app teams, those people who come to find and use the APIs that they would find in the marketplace. Number one, I think for them is it's easier to discover and use and put into production those APIs. A proof point here is we had one customer who measured it and said, they saw a 3 times faster concept to live and a savings of over $15,000 per API that they were using. So they saw some real efficiency there. I think it also, one that I don't have a measurement for, but you hear a lot about in the industry, is reducing the cost of duplicating or building an API that I didn't know existed somewhere else. And clearly, your cost of API is what would dictate the savings or efficiency that you would get there. The second group I would look at is for the producers of the APIs. What they're really interested in is can you help me drive adoption of the API that I've created, and because that helps them increase the value of the initial project that they were creating it for and funding for that project as well as for future projects. I think the two things that really help or shine through a marketplace approach is to have a common set of metrics that allow you to judge performance across all of the APIs that an organization produces. And it helps make those tough investment decisions that says, I'm only going to invest here because I have production, not somewhere else. And the third group, let me talk on a value point there before I get away from it. And a lot of companies turn to building their own developer portals, and that costs a lot of money. One company is saving $1 million a year in what they were spending in trying to build and support their own custom portal. The last audience that I'd look at is really the governance and security teams. They are charged with making sure that these APIs are secure and ready to go. They have a lot of automated discovery and validation tools built into our marketplace that can actually discover the ones that they didn't know about, for instance, validate them against design and security policies. And what that does is it helps make sure that I have that audit list that says, here's all the APIs I have, and validate that they're secure. And that helps reduce the security risk. Can I put a dollar number on that? No, but we all know that it's something that we need to do to protect the business.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. APIs you can trust, right? And simplifying and speeding up adoption.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, thanks, William. If you have any other questions about how an API marketplace can work for you, check out our other videos in this series or get in touch. We're happy to help.